good morning, my dear people, teachers of B.Ed second year. The subject is Pedagogy of English, and the topic today is the use of mobile as an audio-visual aid. And the teaching points are introduction. Second point, use of mobile in teaching English. Third, benefits of using mobile in English language teaching. And fourth, demerits of using mobile. First point is introduction. Language is the means of communication among people. To become a good communicator, mobile is one of the best devices available at present. English language learning and to become a good communicator, two things are essential. First thing is the knowledge of words, that is good vocabulary. And second is the knowledge of different structures, means to use the words in sentence. These two things are essential for good language communicator, and these both can be improved and learned with the help of a mobile. At present, hardly any younger person can imagine life without a mobile. Today, we see every person having a mobile, listening, talking, at every time using the mobile. And even the small children, girls and boys, are also enjoy using mobile. So, for hours without tiring, many times they are busy in mobile. So, question arises, why should this trait yani guna? So, why should this trait of today's children not be used to teach English? तो ये बच्चों का जो गुण है, क्यों ना इसको अंग्रेजी पढ़ाने के अंदर काम में लिया जाए? So as a teacher, we should use this attraction for mobile in teaching English language. Now more and more educators are using the mobiles in their teaching and the language learning and their educational work. Now, what are the use of mobile in English language teaching? If mobile is used in a class, teaching the English will become motivating, active and alive. Encouraging environment will be created in the class, and the teaching will become effective and no doubt successful also. If teachers give some words on the blackboard, say 20 words, so I was saying that if the teacher gives students some words writing on the blackboard, say 20 words, and tell the student to use their mobile to find their meaning, their antonyms, their synonyms, and their use in a sentence, and the students will be busy in this activity for hours without making any noise, and very anxiously they will be busy in this work, and no doubt they will learn by this activity. and they will also try to use mobile in this type of work at home also. In such a activity, the students should be divided in some groups, say three students group, and each group should have one mobile set. They will discuss and they will use, find out the word, and they will write in the copy, and then the result will be very successful. Now, what are the benefits of using mobile? There are so many benefits of using mobile. Many. I have listed some only. For example, to learn the meaning of new word, to know the correct pronunciation. When you click, then there will be, you will get the sound of the word, and that the correct pronunciation will be available. Correct spelling, to know the correct stressing, where the stress should be used, कहाँ स्ट्रेस दिया जाना है, उसकी उच्चारण क्या है, उसका मीनिंग क्या है, उसका एंटोनिम्स क्या है, विपरीत शब्दों को, विलोम शब्द को क्या कहते हैं, एंटोनिम्स, और समानार्थी शब्दों को क्या कहते हैं, सिनोनिम्स. तो टू फाइंड आउट द सिनोनिम, टू फाइंड आउट द एंटोनिम, to use the word, and to find the origin of the word. In this way, they will also busy in research work with the use of mobile, and they will be able to write composition with the help of the mobile, and they can prepare speech, what they have to deliver in their prayer assembly. They can prepare a speech or article with the help of mobile. So there are so many uses, so many benefits. It is, in other words, a treasure of knowledge. All kind of encyclopedia is in the mobile. But demerits also. Fourth point is, what is the demerits of using mobile? So it is, someone has rightly said that excess of everything is bad. हर चीज़ की अति सरलता वर्जनीय है. इसलिए, so the mobile also, if it is excessively used, it is harmful for students' eyes. And excessive use of mobile will make children unsocial, and there are some unwanted things also which are available in mobile. So what they are doing now, parents will not know, teachers will not know, then they will misuse also. So in this way, mobile is useful as well as harmful also. So there are some questions for you, assignment. First question, how can mobile be used in class teaching, in English teaching? In class for English teaching. And question second, what are the benefits of using mobile in ELT, English language teaching? And third, what are the harms by using mobile in English language teaching? Have a nice day. Goodbye, my dear pupil teacher.